The final tutorial is here. Hold the wall. Practice advanced orders while helping the Night's Watch repel a wildling attack. Let's go. Planning phase. Sir Roderick Castle. Winter is coming, and a growing army of wildling barbarians threaten our lands in the north. Increase your crowns so you can help the Night's Watch repel the wildling attack when it comes. Okay, you can track the wildling strength above. They attack when their strength reaches 12, or when a wildling attack card is drawn during the Westeros phase. Okay, so we've got to increase our crowns. All orders are unlocked. Star orders offer additional abilities and bonuses, but are limited by your position on the King's Court track. Because you start in position 2, you may assign 2 starry orders per round. Okay. So let's consolidate power. Let's... Can we raid? Let's do a move, I guess. Yes. Yep. Assign your orders now to grow your kingdom and collect crowns to help defeat the wildling attack when it comes. Okay. No, then. Support special order. Confirm. Action phase. Oh. There's more than 2 players now. This is getting complicated. Need to control 3 castles. No one's in Moat Kalin. Let's go to there then. Spend 1 crown to keep control of White Harbour, yes. We control 3 castles. Oh, what is happening here? So we control 3 castles, we need to defend our wildling attack. This is all very fast paced. Uh-oh. Review the cards in your opponent's hand by selecting their house banner. This can help you decide which house card you need to play to defeat them. Oh, that's the house banner, House Greyjoy. Well, they could play up to 4. So we better play up to 4 then, I guess. Yes. Oh, they've used a Valerian blade. They've beaten us. That is savage. That is absolutely savage. Consolidate power or muster? Let's consolidate then. Westeros phase. A throne of blades. The holder of the Iron Throne chooses one of the following. Everyone updates their supply, then reconciles armies. Everyone musters units, so this card has no effect. The wildlings are moving towards the wall. Each time a wildling icon is drawn in the Westeros phase, their forces are increased by 2. When they reach 12, they will launch an attack and can only be stopped by bidding that much crowns. Okay. Bid on 3 influence tracks. This time we're going to bid on all 3 influence tracks. The first is the Iron Throne. Bid crowns for your position on the Iron Throne. Let's go with 3 then. Haha! We win! House Stark now picks the winners in all ties outside of combat. fiefdom, let's go with 2. Oh. Savage. Each player's position on the King's Court track determines the number of star rods available to them during the planning phase. The player at the top of the track gains the Messenger Raven ability. At the end of planning, they choose between 2 different actions. Swap one of their rods on the map with one of the unassigned orders. Look at the next Wildling card and put it at the top or the bottom of the deck. Haha! Drag house symbols to break ties for the King's Court track. Now let's put them at the bottom on there. Let's do that. House Stark may now replace an order or view the top card of the Wilding round. Stormsword defense orders cannot be played during this planning phase. You are now playing with the full version of all 3 Westeros decks. Each deck has its own set of 10 cards. The third deck includes conditions that limit the available orders in the card that triggers an early Wildling attack. Planning phase. Okay, let's consolidate power big time. Let's do a support for that one. Confirm the orders. Place an order token. I'll look at the top card of the Wilding deck. Mammoth Raiders. Wilding Victory. Lowest bidder destroys 3 of his units anywhere. Everywhere else destroys 2 of the units everywhere else. Night Watch Victory. Highest bidder may retrieve 1 house card destroys from the house card discard pile. Place Wilding card on the top or the bottom of the deck. Bottom. Our list of enemies keeps growing. House Lannister and House Baratheon may help fight the Wildlings, but they certainly aren't our friends. Last days of summer, nothing happens. The Wildling forces are growing strong. It shouldn't be long before your power is needed by the Night's Watch. Each player collects crown for each area they control. Raid honors cannot be played during the planning phase. Consolidate power. Consolidate power. Oh no. I forgot that does nothing. We can't do a raid. Defense special order. Confirm. Don't really understand those cards fully, but yeah, we'll go with it. This doesn't seem to be going well for us though, I have to say. Muster. We need footmen. And the ship. Let's put them here. Recruit new units in strongholds and castles. Woohoo! Let's do a knight's upgrade and another knight's upgrade. Let's do a footman. Collects a crown, breach the controlled areas. The Wildlings attack Westeros. No, the Wildlings have attacked. The more crowns you contribute, the more likely you are to succeed. If the combined contribute by each player equals that sees the Wildling strength, they will be defeated. We've only got 2. If the Wildlings win, players, especially the lowest bidder, will often receive punishment shown by a Wildling card. If the Wildlings defeat, the highest bidder will receive a reward for their efforts. Let's put everything in. Night's Watch victory. Highest bidder is increased 1 position on the supply track. Choose the house to receive the highest bidder bonus. Do we have to do it by clicking on here, I guess? House Marathon? No. Choose the house to receive the high bidder bonus. How? Start then. The North is safe thanks to your heroic efforts for now. Let's do a march. Let's do a march. Let's do a march. Oh, I get it now. They're the 2 sides, different benefits. I get it, I get it, I get it. Let's do the ships. Let's take them out. Let's have a look at their cards. Oh, they have got a 4-1. Let's go with Robb Stark. It's a tie. Fiefdom tiebreaker. We win though. Ha ha ha. Choose an area for your opponent to retreat to. No, we can't send them all the way away. We'll send them there then. You're adjacent to a neutral force. Neutral forces are defeated by matching or exceeding their strength with your marching army. When facing a neutral force, you can't play house cards to use the Valerian Steel Braid. Neutral forces can't be supported. Okay. House Marathon is marching from the Reach. Let's march this one to there. They'll get defeated there, won't they? Haha. Confirm. Strike them down. House Greyjoy. They can only add 3, so it doesn't matter what we really put. Sir Roderick Castle. Victory is ours. End of the game. Victory. We have won. We've completed our training. That is an awful lot to remember in the Game of Thrones board game, the digital edition. I have no idea how this would work as a board game in real life because the setup, I think, would be insane. But we'll see if we can put all that we've learned into action now. And is this easier to play if you know about the Game of Thrones? I don't know, but you know, I guess time will tell. Alright then, so we will see you back here soon for more Game of Thrones videos.